What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video is practice number 3 and it's relating the mass of reactant and product. The question is saying how many grams of H2 are required to produce 1 kilogram methanol CH3OH by the reaction of CO plus 2H2 gives methanol. So that's balanced. It means that 1 mole of carbon monoxide reacting with 2 moles of hydrogen will give us 1 mole of methanol. So we want to produce 1 kilogram of methanol, we need to know how much hydrogen we have. So for 2 moles of hydrogen, we will produce 1 mole of methanol. We need to produce 1 kilogram of methanol. So 1 kilogram is in terms of mass, we need to convert it to moles first. So in order to convert moles, we need to know the molar mass of methanol first, which is going to be 1 carbon plus 4 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen. So that will be 12.01 plus 4 times 1.008 plus 15.999. That makes it 32.04 grams per mole. So number of moles will be mass divided by molar mass. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams divided by 32.04. That makes it 31.21 moles. So 2 gives 1. We need to produce 31.21. So how much hydrogen we need? So as you see here, 2, 1. So this one has to be double. So X will be 2 times 31.21, which is going to be 62.42 moles. So that's the number of moles of hydrogen required. So we need to multiply it by molar mass of H2, which is 2 times this, which is going to be 2.016. So that's the molar mass of H2. That's the number of moles. So mass will be 62.42 times 2.016. That's going to be 125.84 grams. So we need 125.84 grams of hydrogen to produce 1 kilogram of methanol. So again, when we are dealing with mass, we need to convert it to moles, and based on the stoichiometry and based on the coefficients of these reactants and products, we can estimate the number of moles and then we can convert it to mass again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.